In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Lovable project to GitHub and download the code as a zip. First, on your computer, open your browser and go to lovable.dev. Sign into your account so you can access your dashboard. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you're logged into the one that owns the project you want to work with. Once you're in, look for your project or website on the dashboard and click it. This opens the project's overview, where you'll find controls related to deployment, settings, and integrations. Now find the option labeled GitHub or Connect to GitHub. Depending on your view or plan, it might say one or the other, but they lead to the same place. Click it to start linking your project to GitHub. This connection lets Lovable create and manage a repository for your site so your code is backed up, versioned, and easy to share or download. Next, click Connect and approve access. A GitHub authorization screen will appear asking you to grant permissions. Review the request and confirm. If you're part of an organization, you may be asked to approve at the organization level as well. Be sure you're using the correct GitHub account before you continue. If the approval screen doesn't appear right away, check for a new tab or pop-up blocker in your browser. After the connection completes, look for the button that says View on GitHub and click it. This takes you straight to the repository that was created for your site. You'll land on the main repository page where you can see your project files, recent commits, and any README or configuration files that were generated. This page is your home base for browsing the code online or performing Git operations if you choose to later. To download the code as a zip, click the green code button near the top right of the repository. A small menu will open with several options. From there, click Download Zip. GitHub will package the current state of your repository into a single zip file, and your browser will begin downloading it. This is a quick way to grab a snapshot of your project without using Git commands. Once the download finishes, you'll find the zip file in your browser's default downloads folder. You can keep it as an archive or extract it locally to inspect the files, open them in your editor, or share them with a teammate. That's it. You opened Lovable, selected your project, connected it to GitHub, viewed the new repository, and downloaded the code as a zip. Thanks for watching and happy building.